Welcome to ItzRafiq. In this video, I will show you how you can delete the middle portion of a video, or how you can trim apart from your video, or how you can mute apart from your video. This video is specially for the beginners who are just starting making video in YouTube or in any platform like Instagram, not for the pro or not for the experts. So first, there will have one option, create new, on your Kinemaster. You will tap on that option. After tapping on that option, you will get aspect ratio. This will be the ratio of the video. So what type of video you want to make? You will select 16:9 if you want to make the video for the YouTube, and if you will select 9:16 if you want to make the video for the uh, short platform like YouTube short. Then this one you will make if you want to make for Instagram reels or YouTube shorts, and this 16:9 if you want to make the video for specially for YouTube, and 1:1 if you want to make it for Facebook, and 4:3 if you want to make for standard TV. This one you will make if you want to make for standard TV, and this one 2.35:1. This is like cinematic video, means wide angle video or whatever you say. After selecting the ratio, suppose I want to make 16:9. After selecting the ratio, you will tap on the next. So this file browser will open here. Now we'll tap on the folder where your video is located. Suppose my video is located on video folder. For selecting the video, tap on the video, and sometime it might show you some error or something like that warning. Just ignore that warning and tap on OK. Now my video is inserted. If you want to add more video, you can go back to the browser and you can select the videos. Suppose this way. Now this is my video. From this video, suppose I want to cut from 1 minute to 1 minute 30 seconds. First, on the timeline, means this portion is known as timeline. From the timeline, the timing will show here. Okay, the timing you will see here. So you will drag the timeline. You will drag the timeline like this way, and you will go to that particular time from where you want to cut the video. As I want to cut from 1 minute, so I will move till 1. So I came till 1. Then tap on the video from timeline. Then here you will get one scissor option. Tap on that option, and here you will get split at playhead. Don't select split and insert freeze. It will freeze the frame. Select the third option, split at playhead. Now there are two more options, trim at left playhead, trim to right playhead. So what are the meaning of this? If you do trim to left, the video from the left side will be trimmed. If you do trim at right, the video from the right side will be removed. So I am showing you trim at right. So you can see the from right side the video have been removed. Again, if you want to get back, you can tap on this option, undo. Now suppose I want to cut from here. I want the cut to middle portion, not complete video. So tap on split at playhead. After that you will see there will be one join option. Here one plus sign you will get. So now again you move to timeline. Now you suppose I want till 1, I don't want till 1:30, from 1 to 1:30. Now I will go till 1:30. So I came here till 130. Now tap on the video again, go to the scissor option or trim option and select the third one again, split at playhead. Now you see again here one plus sign. This plus sign you will see. So now you again come back to this portion. Now you tap on this portion. Now you'll select, you will get one bin option here, that delete option. So you tap on this option. So tap on this and the video is deleted. Now you see there is the one plus sign, and 130 you will not get any more plus sign because that portion is deleted. Now suppose if you want some transition from when one part to change to another, you can tap on the plus sign and here you will get different transition effect, and here only few transition effect you will get already in your Kinemaster. If you want more transition effect, you have to download it from the store. Okay, now whatever you want, suppose I want this heart one, and there will be many more, this one, this one, this one, this one. So you can take any one. Suppose I have selected this one. Now let's see how it looks. So this way it will. Again, for changing, you tap on that plus sign and you go here and you select that. So this way this showing, and now see. So this way you can set the transition. Now suppose I want to mute a portion from this video, and please remember the sound is already included in the video. I have not added any external sound here. So I want to mute the portion from the video itself, and suppose I want it from 1 minute 15 seconds till 1 minute 20 seconds. So first we will go to 1 minute 15 second. Time might be little here and there because, and if you want the exact timing you can zoom up. For zoom, with two finger you pinch out, then you can zoom the timeline. Now we can go exactly at 15. So now here we'll tap on here and again split at play head. Again, now suppose I want to go till 120, so I'll move the timeline. So here came 120. Now again I'll tap on the timeline and that split option and split at playhead. Now from this portion you will select, you will tap on the sound option. This is the sound option. Then you will tap on this speaker option to mute, or you can also load a video, load a sound, means you can decrease the sound from here, and you can change the pitch from this side. So let's see how we can do it. First, for mute, just you will tap on here the video, this part will be muted, and if you want to just lower the sound, just drag this level gauge, so you can down the volume. Suppose I want to mute only, so tap on the speaker and tap on the tick sign, this tick sign. Okay, now tap on the tick sign. Let's play it whether the sound appear or not. So you can see the sound has been removed from this part. So this way you can also remove a portion, sound portion from a video. Now suppose you want to add some extra music. in that muted part. So you will go to again that particular timeline, and you will go to audio in your Kinemaster, and you will go to music. If you already downloaded any music, it will appear here. And if you want to add it from your folders, you will go to folders. You will select the folders where your music is available. From there you will select. Suppose I want to select this part, and now you again move to the timeline to that particular portion where it stopped. It was like our 120. Sorry, I have added it from 120 only. It is from 115. Again, to move that sound, you will tap on the sound and drag it. Okay. Now I'll go to 120 here, and I will trim the sound. Same option, trim and split. And here I'll select to right playhead. So it's removed. Now you see. So this way you can remove one portion from your video and music from one portion from your video and add another music to your video. I hope you have understood. You have now learned how you can do it, mute and cut part from your video. And if you want to know any other tricks for editing videos in Kinemaster, you can write in comment section. Definitely I will try to help you out. You can also do the same thing by using other editor also, like InShot and other. And these are especially for mobile user who are managing their YouTube or Facebook pages by using mobile, who don't have access to the computer. And who have computer, it's better you do the editing from your computer, because in computer editor you will get many more options. In mobile there are some limitations. But I edit my almost 100% videos from mobile only, and I find it more convenient than the computer. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care.